All the guys who told me they loved me showed me all the ways it wasn't true. If you had been through what I have, you might act the way that I do. I'm always putting up my guard when I get too vulnerable. I swear that it's a reflex, a way that I maintain control. I wanna open up my heart and stop closing the door. I honestly don't know why I'm scared anymore. I know that you're not them. You wouldn't treat me like they did, but the thought is still paralyzing. I'm afraid, I must admit. I've had bad taste in men. Where do I even begin? One cheated, one died, the last one made me lose my mind. But then I found you, you're from a different breed, always doing what you can to try to make me happy. I wanna open up my heart and stop closing the door. I honestly don't know why I'm scared anymore. I know that you're not them. You wouldn't treat me like they did, but the thought is still paralyzing. I'm afraid, I must admit. To be perfectly honest, what worries me the most, you'll get fed up with my madness, and one day you'll let me go. I just couldn't imagine living in a world without your love. I cannot let that happen, because I know I found the one. I wanna open up my heart and stop closing the door. I